0 to 100 millions revenues per year. Hi everyone, Adwin here again. Now today I would like to share with you a book that I recently read, which is called The Sales Accelerations Formula. Now what amazed me is that there are step-by-step process that you can take to bring your sales team to a higher level. So the author of this book is Mark Roberge. So he's formerly a chief executive of Hubspot and currently now advisor to Hubspot. He single-handedly is able to train the sales team to grow from 0 to 100 millions revenues per year. Now that is really amazing. Now why not let's model and take a look at his sales acceleration formula. Now in total there's 4 parts of this sales accelerations formula that I would like to share with you in the next few days. Now first, there is a sales hiring formula. Number one, how do you hire a salesperson that is suitable for this position? Now number two, what are the sales training that you need to give after you hire this person? And how to grow this person continuously, and what kind of training do you need to give to this person? Third, sales management. Now coming to sales management is the most headache for most sales manager. How do you handle sales in terms of managing a team and a single person in terms of sales performance? And lastly is on the growth. How do you grow this person and grow the revenue of your company? If you have not subscribed or liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.